Suvantokatu 10 in Tampere.
Yes, Suvantokatu 10 staircase in Tampere. 1988, also sold in 1988. 6 purchase so far, 80 grams. Amazing Kone elevator. There's a dentist on the second floor here. I think I've also made it left to take pictures of this one. The Tampere Orthodox community is located in this building. H65198, 6 persons for 80 grams, 4 floors. I thought there was only 3 floors, but there's 4. Nice elevator.
Yeah.
I think I can smell the candles or something that they have.
Yeah.
But I think if this had been made maybe like in 1978 or 80, it would have been even nicer.
Yeah.
For a religious place. If it was 10 years older.
Yeah. Inspected by Kiva Inspector, maintained by Kone.
Yeah, it will be inspected in the next year, 2020.
Yeah.
In the last year, 2018, this elevator turned 30 years old. But it's still in good shape.
Yeah.
Does it say anything on the door? Maybe not. No. You can hear the fan sounds. I think also they could have been made, it could have been made a rotary corner.
Yeah.
It's attraction. Maybe there's a staircase B here, we can try to check that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it.